Before starting the video, you can check it says purchase, and I already played this game for 15.8 hours. So yeah, in this video I will tell you how you can get this game for completely free in your own Steam library. So let me restart the Steam, and here you can see it says place now. After restarting, I can play this game again. I completed this game. In this video I will tell you exactly how I did this completely for free, and you can do it too. Before starting the video, I have to tell you English is not my first language, so if I talk weirdly, please ignore it. And I'm recording this video in English, so if people from another country are also watching, then they can understand it little bit too. So go to your any browser and search for Steam download. Then you will get the first link, click on that and download Steam for your Windows. After installing Steam, you have to download Steam Tools. After searching Steam Tools, go to the first website and let it load. Here you have to click on Get It Now and click on the first download setup recommended. After clicking it, the download will start. In my region, it's download very slow. I don't know why it download very slow. It take about 10 minutes when I downloaded it. So yeah, if it's slow speed, you have to wait it. After downloading Steam Tool, you will get these two files in comment section or description. Link to these two folders. You have to download it too. And one more thing, when you find these two files will be password protected, so you have to watch the full video for the password. I don't like putting this password thing, but I have to get watch time so my channel get demonetized. That's why I have to do this. Then you have to go to this folder and select all this and drag it here. After dragging it, I will not do that because I already did that. After dragging it here, you have to click on here and also enable these all three. The fourth option, go to fourth option and enable these three. After dragging it, you have to click on the start Steam, and if your Steam is not started, here it will say open Steam. You have to click open Steam. Then your Steam will get restarted or open, and log in with some new ID, because IS IDs can get banned this way, but my ID didn't get banned. I'm playing this game for past 4 days and it's still fine, but always take precautions. Then after here, you will get the game in your library, and if it says purchase, then you have to restart again. Click here and restart Steam again. You have to do as many as time until it shows download. And here it's saying play because I already downloaded it. Here you will see download button. When you click it, it will not get downloaded. It will say no internet connection. So for that, to fix that, you have to search PowerShell here and click on that and run as administrator. And I will give this command in description. You have to copy and paste it here and click enter. Then after that, you have to restart the Steam again. And after restart, if it's still so purchase, then you have to restart again. And this time you will get the download button. And this time it will show download and you can download it. It will be 45 GBs. After downloading, it's not finished. The game will not run. After downloading, you have to go to this folder, the first folder, and copy this retail folder and go to Steam and click on your game here and go to manage and browse local files and paste the retail folder here and replace it. Then you can play the game freely. And for proof, let me play the game. You see it says purchase then play, so it's not official game. I didn't buy it because if I officially buy it, it will not show purchase again and again. So yeah, it's Steam Tools. Let the game open and you will see it's run perfectly fine. Here you can see it's starting. And if you run in any problem, you can comment in the description. I'm sorry in comment section. I really like this game. It's like Hitman, that's why I played it, and it's also James Bond's. And here you have to play. And here you have to play F to play the game. Here you can't play online mode, you have to play offline, so continue in offline. And here you can check I already completed the story, so that's why start story or select chapter. You can see I completed all the chapters. So yeah, this is the last mission. I won't play any missions or it will get spoiled for you. So yeah, this is the game. If you want, I can show you. Here I completed all mission sub parts. Here you can check. So yeah, it's real game, and here you can see it's offline, so it's not the official game. You can play it completely for free. If you run into any problem, let me know in the comment section. I will reply.